Opportunities and challenges in designing sustainable energy supply systems. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The step of designing energy supply systems in a professional manner has represented without any doubt a real advance in humanity's evolution. The possibility of having unbounded access to needed energy independently of existing places and the status quo has assured huge progress in technology as well as proper evolutions in all human activity domains. On the other side, conventional energy technologies have been connected over the years to undesired impacts on the environment, recently on society. In this regard, the main objective of this chapter is to emphasize the fact that opportunities and challenges in designing and operating energy supply systems must be carefully approached. Recent developments emphasize that various types of energy supply systems must be holistically considered independently if they are based on fossil fuels or on renewable energy resources. By using methods and instruments of technology assessment (TA) to recognize future potentials in this field, appropriate strategies can be designed for trying to finally get sustainable energy supply systems. In this context, the European Green Deal is to be mentioned as a strategy trying to overcome challenges connected to environmental pollution and climate change to succeed in transforming specific energy supply activities into resource-efficient and competitive ones. Appropriate integrative methods for analyzing and assessing environmental impacts can be successfully applied, being the key findings of the presented research. In this regard, tools based on establishing specific environmental footprints are presented for environmental impact assessment, the main goal of actual research being finding ways to mitigate corresponding environmental impact. Thus, practical implications for real-world applications and policy making are given by the possibility of considering interdisciplinary tasks for recognizing diverse innovation odds by consequently supporting the future design of sustainable energy supply systems. Introduction. Technology has always played a key role in improving human life, but as we use more devices and systems in our daily lives, our energy needs have also grown. Throughout history, finding reliable energy sources has been essential for progress. After World War II, energy systems expanded rapidly to support scientific and industrial development. However, this growth also brought harmful environmental effects, which were largely ignored until the 1970s. A major turning point came with the 1972 report, Limits to Growth, which warned of the serious global problems caused by unchecked growth. Today, the world faces three major challenges: a growing population, rising demand for energy and resources, and increasing pollution. These issues require urgent solutions that consider the unique needs of both developed and developing countries. This paper explores the global conversation on how to balance progress with sustainability, ensuring a better future for people and the planet. Conclusion. Designing sustainable energy systems starts with understanding how to apply the idea of sustainable development at local and regional levels. For engineers, this means using tools like technology assessment to evaluate the environmental impacts of energy projects. As concerns about pollution and climate change grow, these tools, especially those that estimate emissions and environmental footprints, help identify ways to reduce negative effects. While energy production, such as coal-fired power plants, supports modern life, it also contributes to pollution, especially carbon dioxide emissions. By assessing these impacts, we can find better methods to supply energy while protecting the environment. However, it's not just about improving technology, it also requires changes in how people use energy. To truly create cleaner energy systems, experts from different fields must work together. This kind of interdisciplinary effort is essential to building a future where technology, environmental care, and resource efficiency go hand in hand. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.